Hi guys, welcome back to Alchar and today we are making an advanced clicker game. So today we are just going to make the like title screen, or you can just like what we click. So delete the cat if you want it to be clicked on. You can keep it, but I do not want it, so I'll delete it. So now hover over choose a sprite, choose whatever you want. Just I'm going to make one sprite, so if you want you can make your own thing by going to paint if you want and selecting that paint, so you can do that, but I'm just going to make a simple like color. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to make an other box with this dark color so that they are the colors. Now I can select the shape and we will click on this. Now we'll take the lighter color. I'm making like this. You can make a different way. You can upload, you can do paint it, a new one. You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to do this. Okay, so you click on this. Now I can delete this if you're copying me, and I'll call this button. Okay, it's looking a bit odd. Just like make this. Now you can make this bigger or smaller, but I like it to be like this. So now I'll leave it like this. So this looks good for click on thing. So we'll click on this button. We will click on this. Right now I want to make it a bit squished because it looks too lengthy. Also a bit too lengthy. So I can also make this a bit smaller. And I can change the size to 150. There we go, it's bigger, 200. Yeah, it's now good. So now you can go to events, take an when green flag clicked, go to control and take an forever loop, then an if then, and inside that if then, and inside that is a wait until block. And now let me just take a book so my mouse can move smoothly. So now we can go to operators and take a not operator here and put it here. Take a touching mouse pointer and put it here. Mouse down here and here. Copy this. Okay. Now go to looks. Take and change size by block. I'll just leave it blank like this. And then go to operators. Take a divide by block. And in the left side a minus block. Sorry, an operator if you want to know. And now what the size can I? 230. 230. Good. Now here is the speed. I want it to be slow so that you can see it. So 5. The best speed is 3, but I like it slow and you can see it. So 5. Now go down in the looks category and then take the size variable like thingy and put it there. Now duplicate this and put it here. So now you can change the size to 200 here. So now we can see that it moves nicely. Oh, my computer is a bit bad. Here we go. Up, down, like it becomes bigger. Okay. And now you can see that this is a bit slow or fast. So now you can see how it moves. So nice. So you can just see that it moves very smoothly. So it's good. And now we will just like this is nice. Now we wanted to change the score. So we will go to variables and make a score variable first of all. And if I have a my variable, delete. or rename it for all sprites and click on OK. Now click on the check mark box. Now we'll set the score to 0 first, then change the score by 1. So we have the score variable. Oh, it's not shown. Me silly. Okay, I'll do this as large readout. Maybe I'll put it down here and good. Here now I can click this and yeah, it's good. Now we want it to have some effect when it's clicked. So change size by -10, -5. And here I want it to decrease actually now. It's better if it decreases the size. So let's now use like now click on it. Some kind of effect happens. 190. So you can just see this and a bit nice. So ignore background noises and now here it's a bit nice. Like it like that. It when decreases its size when it's clicked. So we can also increase the values if it doesn't look nice. But let's change this value to 7 so it becomes a bit faster. Good. Now we want it to move, spin this way and then this way and this way and this way. Yeah, it's like that. Or also you can use the size if you want. But I want to actually use the size, not the direction. You can do this to the point in direction block or set X block or set Y block. For all of these you can make it. First take an plus operator, then an abs of here. Change this to sign. Okay. On the right side put it one multiplier operator here. Here put it this sign on the left here and put this inside the sign place. So now go to sensing. Take the timer and put it on the left side here. Type in the speed 100 and type in how much, like I want 15, so I'm going to do that. And now 200 because that's the normal size. Now you can put this to the point in direction block. Just change this to 90 and whatever this can be. Change this to 0 or whatever value you want. It's like that. So you can use those blocks. Oh, in this bad. I never knew it would not work. Sorry, but I'm going to first do this. Oh, so it's like that now. Change size by. This is a bit good. If we do it with the point in direction block, put this to 90. This is better if it is 1. Then point in direction to this. Okay, it doesn't work with size. So it can decrease the size again. Let's make it decrease the size. 1 second. Good. Now it will spin a bit nicely. And if you want, you can just become crazy and do this. Yeah. So 15 maybe. Yeah, it will work like this. 10 like this. 5 like this. And 3 is the best value I want. 3 always solves everything. So I like it. So like that. Now maybe 30 is better here. So you can see that it's a bit nice and smooth. So this is a good like a game function, and now we can also make the good background. So let me just help you with that. First you make a background rectangle. This is not it. Then you click on the select tool, copy this, and paste it. Then decrease its size. Then change its color to a lighter color. So then we can click on this rectangle, copy and paste it. Then change its size, hold the left alt on the left of your keyboard. Make it a bit lighter. Then copy this one, paste it. Hold the alt key, left alt key. Oopsies, I pressed the Windows one. Like undo now. And so I can do it again. Oh no. There. So now I can change this rectangular size and then decrease its brightness, sorry, saturation, and then copy paste that one, hold the left alt, do it again, and then again copy paste it, hold left alt, and do this lastly twice. So it looks like a gradient. Actually I can make this a bit orangish. I'll copy this color first. Yes. Then I'm going to make it lighter and it's looking nice. So this is how you make a nice background. And this is all for the episode. So bye guys. I'm going to stop this.